it's Savannah with SCW. We are at the Veterans Restoration Quarters. We just did a really important service project. We had 2 teams from SCW come out. Team 1 prepped a meal. It was a lot of fun because some of us haven't worked in a kitchen before. I've never worked in a kitchen, so I was kind of out of my comfort zone.
You gotta maybe hold the button on the top? Oh no, never mind.
That for me was awesome. I worked kitchens all before this. Stepping back in was a lot of fun.
No joke. It's good to get some knife back in the hand. It was great. Feel good about what we did today. We should do it more.
I think it's awesome that we get to have a chance to give back to the community, especially for our homeless veterans, stuff along those lines. Hopefully they enjoy their meal that we prepared today.
Yeah, we did our best, so it was nice to be in there and see everybody that we were going to help out as little as we could. Hope it's something.
It was a really awesome experience.
Great experience. Glad we did it. This was an awesome way to start off the 12 Days of SCW. Stu chose to help homeless veterans this month, so we're really excited about how everything's kicked off. And next month we're going to be doing blood donation for the month of February. So we'd love for you guys to join us and keep up with us and help out in any way you